So it's time for my Bernedoodles to have a bath. It's very warm here in Arkansas, about 85, 88, feels like 95. Anyway, probably not that high, but it feels that way for me. And this is their first time getting in a swimming pool. Of course, it's kiddie pool. Bernie, come here. Come here and get the ball. Bernie. And I didn't realize my pool, they do not want their bath, as you can see. Hey, Jasper, you want Jasper Jr.? You want to have a bath? So the Bernedoodles, as at the end of this week, will be eligible to go to their forever homes. Some of them are sold, but there's plenty. There's 7 of them. So if you want to give me a call, 479-847-0323, or at sissysykes or sissysykes@gmail.com. Excuse me. Or Dover Doodles on YouTube. Dover, Dover, because we're in Dover, Arkansas. Dover Doodles. On the YouTube channel. There's just 2 little videos of them. Didn't want to put too much on them because they were busy growing and all that. But anyway, this is Dover's first experience with the swimming pool, and boy, look at him put his head in there. He's just like that, and that's Mama. And Mama's doing great right now. She likes to get her ball. It's like, why is my ball in that water? And she's a great retriever. And that over there by my garden, that is Tipper. Tipper is the Bernedoodle. All my Bernedoodle puppies are F1b Bernedoodles, the preferred doodle of doodles, he is hypoallergenic, non-shedding, and they do get large. As you can see, that's Tipper over there. They won't get any larger than that. He is actually very large. They're very healthy puppies, and all these puppies have been vaccinated and dewormed. And you can easily genetically test them. They have the kits at the PetSmart and all the other little stores, and it'll come up as what we consider F1b Bernedoodle. And if you check out Bernedoodles, Google them or research them, you'll find that they are the very healthy dogs. They will live a long time. They're very affectionate, and they're very, very intelligent. All of these puppies will sit for me already sometimes. But then as soon as I present their treat for sitting, then they all attack me because they all want the treat at the same time. So it's kind of funny. But they learn easily. And so they're very good about going outside to go potty so far. I do use the little trays with the blue chucks inside of them for pottying, and they do use those through the night. They do. They probably get up at 5:30. I have to tell them to go back to bed. They do go back to bed, and then at 6:30, I have them outside. And then probably every 2 or 3 hours, I just take them out for a little run, and that's what they seem to enjoy. They're very playful. They're very lovable animals. Anybody that comes in my house, they all gather around their legs and just want to be petted. And that's it. They're just great puppies. And that right there is Bullseye. I'm sorry, that's Molly. This is Molly. Hey, Molly. And this is Bullseye. And I have 2 dogs with the tricolor. I have one that's a blonde, and that's him over there, Jasper Jr. Jasper's over there sitting with Daisy May, the mother, and the mother's father was a blonde poodle, standard poodle, and her mother was a black and white poodle. The father was a blonde poodle, and his name was Jasper, hence the reason I call him Jasper Jr. And they live not far from me. And so these are wonderful pups. They're very comical. They're very loving, and they look for each other to do things together. So I hope you're interested in them. If you are, again, you can reach me at sissysykes@gmail.com. You can look on YouTube for Dover, Dover, Doodles, Doodles, and put that in, or you can put in BerneDoodles or F1b Bernedoodle, and that should bring it up in their search engine. Or you can give me a call at 479-847-0323. Thank you very much. My name is Sissy Sykes. Thank you.